And this is my quarterly customer. I was just talking to him in the front. He didn't mention this. Their gutter's like totally down and blowing around. This gutter's been down for a while, you could tell. It's terrible. I guess it's for the snow and ice. I guess he's going to get scheduled with somebody. I could help him out, but it's pretty significant. You know, if I just bought some gutters, you know, it's got to be seamless. This is all one piece. So when you get a gutter service, they custom make it in the truck. You know, if I were to go buy the gutter, the leader, the gutters, it would be in sections, and I would have to seam it, and then I would deal with the leaks. Yeah, he needs. Shoot, if it was an emergency, I can help him out, but he didn't ask. And then the flashing over here is missing. And where bats and bees can get in. And this fence. You just don't know what the situation is with some people. You don't know what their situation is, so because it just seems like something you could really just get on to right away before it causes more damage. See how this bottom gutter's damaged now? Yeah, I thought that was interesting. I mean, we do this kind of stuff. We can offer this kind of stuff because it's wildlife related. You know, wildlife can get in there and bats. But maybe he has somebody on schedule, and I don't want to really bring it up